Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. Today's video will explore the best 3D printers for making and customizing your Nerf guns. It can easily be used to create and customize your dream Nerf gun, from body parts to attachment pieces. The output quality of these printers is excellent, so you can easily have a one-of-a-kind Nerf gun. And with that in mind, we have determined the 5 best 3D printer brands for drones. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make a huge difference in the performance of your Nerf gun. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the top 5 printer brands for Nerf guns. These printers are capable of producing quality parts and attachments with precision and accuracy. These individual printers are especially for users who want to customize and create the ultimate Nerf gun. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FLASHFORGE 3D printer. When bringing your Nerf gun dreams to life, the first choice is undoubtedly the FLASHFORGE 3D printer. With its cutting-edge features and mind-blowing capabilities, this printer will take your Nerf game to awesomeness. Imagine having the power to print your favorite blasters in vibrant colors and different materials, all thanks to FLASHFORGE's advanced technology. Get ready for double the productivity with the FLASHFORGE 3D printer's dual extruders. These bad boys work simultaneously and independently, allowing you to print in 2 colors or materials. The possibilities are endless, whether you want a sleek black and red blaster or a translucent masterpiece. Were you worried about model warping? Fear not! FLASHFORGE's heating bed ensures rapid and steady heating, keeping your print secure and warp-free. This printer can handle it all, from PLA to ABS, PETG to TPU, and wood to PVA, delivering high-quality prints that will leave you in awe. Say goodbye to messy cross-contamination. FLASHFORGE's anti-scrape design minimizes color bleeding during dual-color printing, giving your creations that professional touch. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 2 is the Archidi Technology 3D printer. The Archidi Technology X Plus 3D printer is a game-changer for creating Nerf guns that pack a punch. With its cutting-edge features, this printer takes your Nerf modding experience to a new level of excitement and creativity. Equipped with the latest dual-gear extruders, this printer ensures precise printing, excellent heat dissipation, and minimal clogging. Say goodbye to those frustrating filament jams and hello to flawless prints every time. This printer can handle it all, whether you're working with PLA, ABS, TPU, or even high-temperature materials like nylon and PC. Are you printing large Nerf gun models? No problem! The double Z-axis driver guarantees stable and precise printing quality, even for those grand-scale projects. Forget about interruptions ruining your print job. The filament detection function alerts you when the filament runs out, ensuring seamless printing of those epic blasters. To top it all off, the Slicer software version 6.5.3 is an absolute game-changer. With a redesigned and user-friendly interface, slicing your models is a breeze. The improved slicing algorithm boosts print quality by 30% and speed by 20%, leaving you with jaw-dropping results. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 3 is LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer. The LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer is an optimistic and exhilarating choice for Nerf gun enthusiasts. Its cutting-edge features and innovative design take your Nerf game to the next level. The Shark V3 Smart G-Sensor auto-leveling is like having a secret weapon in your arsenal. It ensures precise leveling and accurate printing, guaranteeing that every component of your Nerf gun will fit together flawlessly. The modular design goes beyond 3D printing, offering the thrilling option of laser engraving on materials like bamboo, ceramic tile, and leather. Let your imagination run wild as you customize your Nerf guns with unique patterns and designs. One of the most excellent features of the Shark V3 is its ultra-fast cooling system. Say goodbye to waiting around for your prints to cool down. The modular nozzles keep the temperature under control, allowing you to switch between filaments seamlessly and even achieve dual-color printing effects. Assembly is a breeze with the Shark V3. Within minutes, you'll be ready to unleash your creative firepower. The large printing size gives you ample space to bring your Nerf gun visions to life. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Longer LK4 3D printer. If you have an insatiable Nerf gun obsession like me, then the Longer LK4 3D printer is the ultimate weapon in your creative arsenal. This bad boy takes the hassle of assembling your printer thanks to its mind-blowing 90% pre-assembly. But wait, there's more! Prepare to be dazzled by the 2.8-inch full-color touchscreen, a futuristic marvel that replaces those old-fashioned manual knobs. With its user-friendly interface, you can effortlessly preview your epic Nerf gun models and monitor the printing process without sweating. The LK4 isn't just about flashy screens and fancy gadgets, though. It boasts a robust aluminum frame that guarantees top-notch printing quality and durability. And if power outages or pesky filament shortages try to rain on your Nerf parade, fear not. Safety first, my fellow Nerf enthusiasts. The LK4's hidden power supply ensures your well-being while you unleash your 3D printing genius. Plus, with its lightning-fast 280W power, you'll have your heat bed sizzling at a scorching 100 degrees Celsius in just 4 minutes. That's 25% faster than other printers. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5 is Anycubic Resin 3D printer. The Anycubic 3D printer is an ultimate game changer when printing Nerf guns. Brace yourself for a jaw-dropping experience. With the Anycubic Photon Mono 4K, you'll embark on a thrilling journey into high-octane 3D printing like never before. Prepare to be blown away by its lightning-fast printing speed. This beast boasts a mind-boggling 7% light transmittance, which means faster curing and shorter single-layer exposure times, as low as a mere 1.5 seconds. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to epic Nerf battles in no time. But it doesn't stop there. The 4K high-resolution display will leave you in awe. Witness the sharpness and intricate details of your printed models like never before. With a contrast ratio of over 350:1, every exposed area bursts with vibrant clarity, ensuring unparalleled printing quality that will leave your friends speechless. Enable your creativity with the Anycubic Photon Mono 4K's big 6.23-inch LCD screen. Dive into a world where your imagination knows no bounds. And don't worry about wear and tear because the screen is built to last, lasting 4 times longer than traditional LCD screens. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for Nerf guns. If you like any of these best 3D printers, check out the link in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.